Hello everyone, I am Hima Sati Sharma and students we are discussing the chapter water story for class 7. So we were discussing what is wastewater. So the name itself is sufficient to explain that water which is no longer used or no longer which has been used or no longer fit for usage again is called the wastewater. Wastewater is dirty water which is coming from laundry, that is after washing clothes, toilets, sinks and drains. Whereas the clean water is used for cooking, washing, bathing and drinking. And once the clean water serves the purpose of cooking, washing, bathing and drinking, um, the residue water of which is coming from cooking or washing or bathing becomes wastewater. How water is our lifeline. So we know that water is required by us for all the purposes or all daily life household chores. But that clean water is not available for everybody as same as we are getting it. Hence, it is very much necessary not only to preserve the water but also to clean the used water so that it can be used again, or before dumping it into the water bodies, it is clean and it is not affecting the aquatic life. This is why the United Nations proclaimed the period between 2005 and 15 as the International Decade for Action on Water for Life. Now, what do we mean by cleaning of water? Cleaning of water is a process in which the contaminants or the pollutants from the water are removed before the water reaches a water body or before it is used again. So we have discussed in our previous lecture various contaminants and pollutants in water and how it is affecting the water bodies or how it is affecting the environment. So before dumping these kind of the waste which is coming from industries or household, if we remove the contaminants or if we remove the pollutants before discharging it into water body, it will be called cleaning of water. This process is also called sewage treatment. Why it is called sewage treatment? So basically sewage is a waste water, or any liquid waste will be called sewage. What is sewage? Wastewater from houses, offices, industries, hospitals and other sources is called sewage. Rainwater that flows into the drains during heavy rainfalls is also sewage because it contains pollutants that it washes off from the roads. So rainwater, though rainwater is the purest form of water, but when it goes to the drain after washing the roads, it also turns to be sewage. Any liquid waste thus can be called sewage. So sewage water contains impurities mixed into it as well as some suspended pollutants. These impurities present in the sewage are also called contaminants as they contaminate the water. So here in this table you can see various impurities or contaminants in the sewage. Organic impurities are like human feces and animal waste, oil, urea from urine, pesticides, herbicides, fruit and vegetable waste. Inorganic impurities are nitrates, phosphates, metals, nutrients like phosphorus and nitrogen, bacteria and other microbes. So how this water can be cleaned or freshened up? So we know that whatever water is used by us or used by in hospitals or in other domestic for the domestic purposes, it is contained from large and small pipes which are installed in the buildings to carry sewage water are sewers. Now sewerage, what is sewerage? Sewerage is a network of sewers. A network or transport system which consisting of sewers is called sewerage. What does sewerage do? Sewerage carries the sewage water or the waste water from the point where it is produced, like from our houses, to the point where it is disposed. For example, treatment plant. So basically sewers are the large and small pipes and sewerage is the network of these kind of pipes which is carrying the wastewater from the point it is produced to the point where it can be cleaned. It consists of manholes that are located every 50 to 60 meters. The manholes are installed at a point where two or more sewers intersect or change their direction. Every locality has a system of sewers that allows removal of waste from the houses and industry. In our next lecture, we'll be studying about wastewater treatment plant. Thank you.